Hello friends, it's Namandava here and you're watching The Electric Guy, and this is our second video of Arduino tutorial, and in this video we will use PWM signals to dim the LED and to control the servo. Dimming of LED and controlling servo is majorly depend on duty cycle of PWM signals. Duty cycle means that how much percentage of one cycle of PWM signal was high. Lesser the duty cycle, dimmer the LED would be. Now with the help of breadboard, connect the LED's positive to a resistor and the resistor's other end to the Arduino pin 9, and then the LED's negative to Arduino GND. I have made this program that can dim the LED. In its void setup section, I have initialized Arduino pin 9 as output, and then in void loop section, I have used digital write and delay microseconds function to create a PWM signal of higher frequency but of less duty cycle, which will result in dimmer LED. This line of code is responsible for less duty cycle, thus dimming of LED. Increase the value to maximum 255, which will result in higher duty cycle, thus increase in the brightness. After uploading this code with this value, this was the brightness of LED, which in my opinion is very less brighter. And after changing the value of delay microseconds to 255, this is the brightness of LED, which is relatively much brighter than before. Now let's try to control the servo. Connect the servo's red pin to Arduino VCC, black or brown pin to Arduino GND, and white or yellow pin to Arduino pin 13. I have created this program which can control the servo. In its setup section, I have initialized pin 13 as output, and in void loop section, I have written the code to create PWM signals with digital write and delay microsecond functions. This code is responsible for changing the position of servo. In this code, 3000 means 180 degree, and if you write there 1500, then the servo position will be 90 degree, and if you write 1, then the position will be about 0 degree. Now you will think that why I am using this value. This is because after a research work, I found that to position servo on 90 degree, we require 1.5 milliseconds, means 1500 microseconds. And by simple calculations, we can take out the value for 1 degree, which is 3000, and for 0 degree, which is 1 microsecond. I use 1 microsecond because if we take 0, then this signal cannot be able to call as PWM signals. After uploading this code with this value, you can see that the servo changes its position to 180 degree, and after changing the value to 1 and again uploading it, you can see that now it goes to 0 degree on normal position. I hope that you learned something new from this video. Please like, comment and share this video, and if you want to stay tuned in the upcoming videos, please subscribe.